Kasano tatan iti mapasamak, Vice Mayor, iti dayti pa nag-withdraw nga rod, iti SM Prime Holdings Incorporated, maipapan iti redevelopment, iti Baguio Public Market. Anya tatan iti proseso nga maaramid?
There was a sudden change of all circumstances. Nag-withdraw mo tan officially iti ECM. So what does that mean to us? Let us back to square one. But we have many things to fix, really, in the city market. First, as we discussed in our last session, dagita meets inbound, iti palengke. So probably that is an immediate action that should be done by the city government. Kung mayroon man survey, i-revalidate sino ang naka-occupy sa mga boundaries para malaman din natin, malaman ang taong bayan. Alam din natin kung ano ang susunod na hakbang na gawin po natin para sa development ng city market, which I believe all people in the walks of life in the city of Baguio would really want that the city market be developed. But by how, papaano gawin, yun ang pag-uusapan uli natin. Ibig sabihin, back to square one.
Oo, so urnusin nyo tatan, dito palang withdrawal iti SM. Tapno, ma-fix, may katen dito eh.
Of course, it should be on record also that indeed they have withdrawn. Ket anyangay dagiyay pending resolutions, that market plan, etc., will be deliberated and referred to a committee so that we will first fix the city market by the city government. Tapos, let us rethink on what to do, how to develop it, involving all sectors. Parang lumalabas dito na we will start again from the very beginning, which have been a repetitious activity.